I think any small business owner would agree that the only thing better than getting a good morning text from your lover is getting a PayPal or Stripe notification from your business. Imagine you're all cozy in bed, the sun is shining in, the birds are chirping outside. You roll over and check your phone and see that you made sales in your sleep. That is what we are going to manifest today in this meditation. And all you have to do is get comfy and listen along. So grab yourself a cup of tea, a fuzzy blanket, or even get ready for bed. And let's start manifesting sales in your sleep.
By the way, this meditation is an exclusive bonus for my new course, Rest and Revenue, where you will learn how to build your business the cozy way with passive products and sustainable income streams. I'll leave all the details for you down below, or you can scan this QR code. All right, let's get back to manifesting sales in your sleep.
Whenever you are ready to begin this meditation, go ahead and find a comfortable position, whether that's cozy on your couch or snuggled into your bed ready to sleep. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhaling out through the mouth. Another deep breath in. Letting it go. And on this next deep breath, I want you to relax every muscle in your body on the exhale. Letting go all of the stress and all of the tension of the day. All you have to do right now is relax and rest. So beginning down at your feet, is there anything you can do right now to make them 1% more comfortable? Maybe you need to wiggle your toes, change the position. Do whatever you need to feel more relaxed and supported. Moving up to your legs now. Can you consciously relax the muscles in them? Releasing any of that tension that they've built up throughout the day. Moving on to your hips and your stomach. Can you breathe in and relax them just a little bit more? Now onto your arms and your chest. What can you do to make them 1% more comfortable? Maybe relaxing your hands open and clenching the fist. And lastly, your head. Can you let go of all of the weight and let it fully sink into the pillow, feeling fully supported and cared for? Now that your body is fully relaxed, you have entered into the receptive zone. You've released all resistance and are open to good things flowing your way. In particular, more abundance through your business. With every inhale, you are attracting your dream clients to you. And with every exhale, You are blowing your work out into the world for them to find. With every inhale, you are bringing more visibility, more engagement, more energy into your business. And with every exhale, you're releasing things that don't serve you, that may have been holding you back in the past, but not anymore, because you have learned how to let them go and release the resistance, so beautiful things can flow into your life and business from this relaxed, receptive zone. Because you have taken the time right now to tap into this energy, you are going to create a reality where you expect sales in your sleep every single night. You created a life and business where you wake up every day to notifications that somebody purchased your product or service. Imagine now, tomorrow morning, waking up in your bed. Maybe the sun shining in is what awoke you, or the birds chirping, or your alarm clock. You start to wiggle your toes in your body. Maybe let out a big yawn or a stretch. Slowly blink your eyes open to another magical day on this beautiful planet. And as you roll over to get a sip of water and check your phone, you notice on the home screen that there's a notification congratulating you on another sale. You instantly feel that joy and excitement and gratitude that another person supported your small business even while you were asleep, even while you were at complete rest. This is a reminder of the divine support all around you, even when you are relaxing, even when you're not working, just by simply being. Abundance is your natural state, and it is all around you, waiting to flow in through the path of least resistance, which just happens to be while you sleep. And every day now going forward, you're going to wake up cozy in your bed, smiling at the sun, and checking your phone to see yet another sale in your sleep. So taking another deep breath in, accepting this as your new reality, and letting it go. Feel free to stay in this meditation longer and fall asleep to the relaxing music, or open your eyes whenever you are ready.